Listen, my friend. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that will completely change the way you make money. And I'm not talking about random tips you've heard 1,000 times before. I'm talking about the raw truth, the kind of truth that once you see it, you can't unsee it. So give me a few minutes of your focus, because if you can't pay attention for even 15 minutes, let's be real, how do you expect to focus long enough to change your life and actually make money? One, age doesn't matter. First thing, my friend, your age doesn't matter. People always ask me, I'm only 15, can I really start a business? Or, I'm already 40, isn't it too late for me? And I smile because here's the truth. In business, no one cares about your age. If you can solve a problem, if you can bring value, people don't ask how old you are. Think about it. If your fridge breaks and the repair guy shows up, do you stop at the door and say, sorry, you're only 18, I don't trust you to fix it? Of course not. You just want the fridge fixed. That's business. Solve the problem, deliver value, that's all that matters. Don't ever let your age be your excuse. 2, there's no magic formula. Second thing, you don't need a magical formula to make money. So many people believe they need a billion-dollar idea, or a huge investment, or some genius-level creativity. No, the truth is simple. Making money is about convincing people to pay you. Even in a job, you're not making money. You're exchanging your time for someone else's money. But here's the conflict. Your time runs out. You can't scale your hours. The real game, learning how to sell something valuable without selling your time, a skill, a service, a solution. That's how you escape the trap and start building something real. 3, be in the flow of money. Third thing, my friend, you need to stand where the money flows. Most people don't. They go to school, they study, they become programmers, designers, accountants, and they think they're safe. But here's the truth. Those jobs are outside the flow of money. Who makes the most? The ones who sell. The ones who bring the cash in. Salespeople, entrepreneurs, anyone directly tied to revenue. Imagine you run a small business. You have designers, editors, writers. Who gets paid last? Them. Who keeps whatever's left over? You're the one who sells. That's why sales and positioning yourself at the center of money flow is everything. Don't stand on the sidelines while money rushes past you. Jump in. 4, master a skill you can sell. 4th, learn a skill you can actually sell. It's not enough to just be around money. You need to offer something real. At the start, that might mean you're the one doing the work. Editing, designing, marketing, writing, fixing problems. Here's the beauty. When you start, you don't need a team, you don't need expenses. It's just you, your skill, and your ability to sell it. Maybe you land a client who pays you $2,000. You get 2 or 3 of those clients in a month, boom, you're making serious money. And the skills you learn, they compound. The more you grow, the more valuable they become. So try things. Learn design, marketing, accounting, video editing. But then focus. Become world-class at one thing. When people think of that skill, they should think of you. 5, start now, not tomorrow. And finally, the most important thing, start right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next year. Because here's the painful truth. Time doesn't wait. If you're 15 now, in a blink you'll be 20. If you're 20, you'll wake up 30. And if you don't start, you'll look back with regret. Every single day you delay is a day you could have been building. And trust me, years from now you'll wish you started today. So stop waiting. Take action. Learn, build, sell, fail. Try again. That's how you win. My friend, these 5 truths aren't theories. They're real. I've lived them, I've seen them, and I'm telling you, once you understand them, you'll never see money the same way again. So here's my challenge. Don't just listen, do something. Take one of these points and apply it today. And when you see results, you'll realize this isn't just motivation. It's a map. If this video gave you even a spark of clarity, hit that like button. It helps more than you know. And if you want to keep learning with me, subscribe to the channel. Because we're just getting started, and I promise you, you don't want to miss what's coming next.